Adding a domain to Cloudways is straightforward. Follow these steps. Log into Cloudways. Sign into your Cloudways account. Select your server. Go to the Servers tab and select the server where your application is hosted. Access Application Management. Navigate to the Applications tab and select the application you want to associate with the domain. Add the domain. In the Application Management section, click on Domain Management. Click Add Domain and enter your domain name. Make sure to include www if you want to use it. Update DNS settings. Go to your domain register's control panel. Update the DNS records for your domain to point to your Cloudways server IP address. Typically, you will set an A record with your domain register. Verify and apply changes. After updating DNS records, it can take up to 48 hours for changes to propagate. Once DNS has propagated, return to Cloudways and ensure the domain is correctly listed in Domain Management. Configure SSL. Go to the SSL Management section in Cloudways to install a free SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt for secure connections.